Welcome everyone, Devin 605 Sports Cards here. Have one of the newer releases right now, the 2023 Legacy Hobby Box. Not a very high-end product. Still gonna get your rookies in their college uniforms, which I don't mind. I know it's not as collectible, but I believe the RPAs will be airbrushed on in their pro uniforms. You're really looking for like those RPA autographs, a Dare to Tear, which I've never seen. So we'll see what happens if we happen to come across one. That seems pretty rare. I think it's kind of like the case hit for this product. And some of the, I think, parallels and autographs and such will have at least a logo of what team someone was drafted to. But for the most part, you're still kind of having to look up a lot of the players to see where they went drafted if they weren't early on picks that, just kind of stand out. So 8 cards per pack. We got 12 packs. Get a good amount of cards. A look if you want to pause it and see what we're chasing. There are minis in here that are numbered. You get a lot of options for other numbered parallels. You can get some numbered ones out of ones. So really hunting for those in these, as this isn't a super high-end product. The rookie cards aren't as valuable, seeing as they're still in their college unis for the most part. And I've never opened Legacy, so this is my first time ripping it. Can't say I have super high hopes, so maybe I'm opening it so you don't have to, because like I said, it's not a very high-end product, under $200. Order's up the Panini website. And look at the pack. I mean, kind of cool vintage look. I don't mind the look of them. They just aren't the higher-end cards. Do get decent amount of numbered cards out of here. Looks like we have a silver already back there. So look at the base. Not flashy, just, really have an old school look, which I don't mind. And a Justin Fields, Chris Olave, second year now, so it's kind of weird seeing that. And we have a rookie of Jalen Carter, and he is with Georgia, who they did not get the licensing to apparently. So cool looking card, not numbered. Nice insert. We have Randall Cunningham on the Eagles. Legends Herschel Walker, another Eagles, so getting all the legends for their Eagles. A Devin Witherspoon, rookie, and Jalen Hyatt, who's apparently got some wild speed, so has a chance to be a good receiver this year. See if he can learn the routes and run effectively in the pros, but has the speed to maybe get separation. And there's a Kyler Murray. There's one of our guys with the minis. They just kind of launch out of there. A base, a Josh. I don't know. I'll have to look at our mini here. There's a Dak Prescott. Cool looking cards, and that is 73 of 75. So these little minis are kind of cool. It's kind of got some new little dings in the surface, but I'm a Cowboys collector, so I guess it's a nice PC one at least. I don't know how much value they carry. Probably have to look around for some, top loaders or certain, see if they got special holders for them. But right now I was putting a sleeve. So our first numbered card out of 75 is a mini, Dak Prescott. All right, finish off this pack. With that Josh Allen. And we have a prized prospect, another Jalen Hyatt. Nice card. Barry Sanders on the legends. Tim Brown. Keyshawn Boot. And Brian Breesy. Still looking for both our autographs. Really hoping for the RPA because I want the airbrushed, and they're just good looking cards that I've seen. Ramondre Stevenson, Some of the names are kind of hard to read on here. We got a Generations, TJ Watt and JJ Watt out of 50. That's a cool looking card. That'd have been a sick auto having the brothers on there. I might have our auto right behind it. So 22 out of 50. That's pretty good. Throw that one in a sleeve up there with Dak. Oh, but not another auto. We got other Generations behind that one, but this one looks like it's just a base. That one must be like a blue or pink parallel there. So look at a base Generations compared to a numbered one. That's Austin Eckler and LaDainian Tomlinson. Insert Michael Strahan legend, Jerry Rice. We have a Jahmyr Gibbs and Jordan Battle. Hoping this year Panini's prices maybe drop a little bit since you don't get the autographs of the top 3 quarterbacks in the draft. So hopefully that knocks prices down. I don't know how they can charge full price when you don't even have a chance to get all the autos for the top draft picks. I think they were Fanatics exclusive, so Fanatics products will have them. For the ages, another LaDainian Tomlinson, cool looking card. Deion Sanders, Reggie Wayne, and a Zay Flowers rookie with Dalton Kincaid. So again, on the rookies, they're going to have all their college stuff, not where they're drafted, which kind of stinks. You got to follow up, which I don't think those rookie cards are going to be real sought after in this. So just kind of a little PC thing, or maybe someone will want them finish a set. Oh, and we got points. So there's 400 points. So one auto down, I guess. Charles Woodson, kind of disappointing, but at least it wasn't a 250 like you've been getting out of all these lower end. Lawrence Taylor, a Peter Skoronski rookie, and there's Anthony Richardson, who does have autographs in Panini, and he's kind of the top guy you're looking for. And Brian Burns, Tamara, another numbered card out of 299, and AJ Brown. So high numbered card, must be a red. So up there with the hits so far, I guess you could call them. Like I said, I wasn't real high on this product of pumping out anything fantastic. Christian Aoki, legend, a Peyton Manning, Continua Wicks, Nolan Smith, rookie cards. So I kind of pick between this and Score. Score is just like 400 cards per box. You get more autos, but I feel like I like the look of these, and I don't have any cards of Legacy, so they're a little different to add to the mix. Have other Score from previous years. They don't look too bad. There's a Brock Purdy year 2, so look at him and T-Law, and we have Under the Lights, Nick Bosa. This looks like it might be a green of 149. So 37, 149, maybe an orange, I suppose, is what it looks like. Cool looking inserts. I mean, they look good. And Nick Bosa. So one more hit to go. I think we should have at least one more mini, maybe 2 more. And here's our Legends. Jordan Addison rookie. And Quentin Johnston. So a lot of rookie cards, unfortunately, all in there. College uniforms. If Score would have had the pro uniforms like last year, I probably would have went with that box. But I just don't see. They're the same price. Sure, you get 400 cards, but I don't need 400. I'm going to start with this mini, so I don't drop it again. We have Deshaun Watson on the mini. That one is not numbered, just a silver. Go ahead and sleeve it up. I I think this product would be a lot better, a little closer to $100, 100 to 125 range maybe. I don't see it being 180 like it is. I don't think you get a lot of many chances of really getting your money back or big cards. So there's very few that would be worth the price of this box. Pro uniforms would have helped, or just airbrushed on, but yeah, with those, not a lot of value in these, especially the base. So be curious if any of you ripping it, planning on to order some. I believe they still are available on the Panini website, but that's why I decided to kind of open it, so you can decide if this is something you want. We do have a rookie numbered behind DeAndre Hopkins here. And it is Jahmyr Gibbs for Alabama, which he does. There's a rookie with, at least knowing, to the Lions. So maybe the numbered parallels, they threw them on. We'll double check if we have any other numbered rookies, but that might be our first one. At 249, Jahmyr Gibbs. And they have another rookie behind that on Jackson Smith-Njigba under the lights. So I prefer that to be our numbered card instead of the Bosa. And that one is with his Seahawks on there. I wish they had done that for all of them at minimum. Just put that logo down the middle of the corner, the back on all of the rookie cards. At least they did it on the parallels and inserts. Tony Dorsett Legends, Ditka Legend with Will Anderson Jr. and Zach Evans rookie cards. A few more packs to go. Still looking for that auto. Points probably out of this isn't horrible if you can get over the 250 mark. Probably worth more than most your autos. I'm trying to save up my points to, buy a Sparkle packs or something else off there. Every now and then I find some PC autos I wouldn't mind having. Or at some point maybe we'll start doing some giveaways, and I'll just kind of pick autos off there to do giveaways with. It's kind of a scam. You gotta pay shipping on it still. So there's a Champ Bailey of Decade of Dominance. I haven't seen that insert before, but it's not numbered, so I'm assuming it's not rare. Really need to, I would love to see one of those Dare to Tear cards. I like to gamble, so we'd probably be tearing. Maybe do a poll in the video if we happen to hit one to see what you guys think. If we tear it or don't. It's not looking promising to find one though, since we're this far in. This one's got some color in the back, so we might have our auto. Go ahead and scoot that to the back. All right, and we have a rookies of Marvin Mims. He was a good receiver for the Sooners. They still have him at OU, not where he was drafted. And the silver there. Not a bad rookie. All right, Derek Johnson. Sean Alexander for the Legends. And Rashid Rice, rookie. Parson Johnson Sr. Jalen Waddle. We'll go ahead and put him in the front with Joe Mixon there. Looks like it is a silver. It is a rookie. Clayton Tune, which I think he needs to work on a better autograph there. I don't. Can't say I'm familiar with him, and I pay attention to quite a bit of college football. And his is not with. So it looks like he was with Houston. They must not have the rights to them either. He was a QB, so QB, if you call that an auto, it's kind of weak when they just do initials. Look at all the old veterans. It seems like they put a little more effort into their autographs. Instead of just whipping out initials. So those are going to be our one auto. Down to this last pack to pull a short print, a Dare to Tear, or Maybe a 101 would be sweet. I've never hit one. That's kind of why I've been getting into more of the hobby packs. I want a better chance at a 101, but not happening. So we do have another numbered card out of 150. That's Deebo Samuel, probably our last numbered card. We'll see him up after. For the ages, Ditka. It's not looking promising here. The Fridge, Chris Carter, Hendon Hooker, rookie, and Raheem Jarrett, rookie. So that box definitely did not blow the doors off anything. Some of our hits, obviously, are one autograph. Not familiar with Clayton Tune, really. We got Marvin Mims, nice and Jigba under the lights insert. Jahmyr Gibbs, number 249. Deshaun Watson, mini or silver. Nick Bosa under the lights, and that was at 150, 149. A.J. Brown, 299. And Panini points out of 50. Probably one of our better cards. Defensive players, the Watt brothers. And Dak Prescott out of 75. So that really does it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Maybe as we get a little bigger, 250 to 300, we'll try to maybe do some giveaways, autographs. But let's get this growing a little more, and we'll try to do some giveaways, maybe product, some autographs, see what we can come up with. But appreciate you guys for watching, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.